Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create an encrypted text field in Salesforce CRM topic. So previously, we already discussed so many field creation like text field with rich data type, number, phone number, email ID, like this. We created so many fields, but today we are discussing about encrypted text. So in every organization, there is some information that should not be visible for everyone. For example, Aadhaar number, PAN number, passport number, bank account number, API keys, or any confidential customer information that should be encrypted, means that should not be visible for everyone. So instead of storing this information in a normal text field, Salesforce provides an encrypted text field which helps to protect sensitive data from unauthorized users. So in this video, we will understand what is an encrypted text field is, when we actually use this, how to create this, and how field security works with encrypted data. These are all the topics we covered. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to understand what is an encrypted text field in Salesforce. An encrypted text field is a special type of text field in Salesforce, so that stores sensitive information in the format of encrypted. Unlike a normal text field, the value is protected and user can see only the actual value if they have required permission. So this helps organization to improve the data security and protect the confidential information. Then what is the purpose of this field? Imagine we store Aadhaar number in Salesforce. So if we use normal text field, any user with access to that record can read the complete number. But if you use an encrypted text field, user without permission may only see the something like star 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 last four digits like this, or masked character depending on your encryption settings. Only authorized user can view the complete value. This protects sensitive customer information. So in real-time business, how actually it will works? For example, encrypted text fields are commonly used to storing like Aadhaar number, PAN number, passport number, account number, credit card reference number, security tokens, API keys, employee identification number, confidential customer information. Whenever our data is sensitive, we need to use encrypted text field in Salesforce. It is a better choice than normal text field. So then how we can create? So first we need one requirement. So my requirement is, currently I have a receipt object. So in this receipt object, I need to store the account number, but it should be encrypted data. So because account number is the sensitive data. So that's why I need to create one account number field with encrypted text field as a data type. So how we can create? So first we need to click on gear icon, click on edit object. So we need to navigate to fields and relationships. Try to create new field. So in data type, we need to choose a text as encrypted. You just scroll below. We have a something like text encrypted. So there is a description like allow user to enter any combination of letters and numbers and store them in a encrypted format. So encrypted format means directly not able to access or view. So simply click on next. So then we need to give the label. So I will give it as account number. So then we need to enter the length of this field. So I will enter like 12. So then below we have a something like required. So I will make it as required field. So then we need to specify the mask type, means how the text should be visible. So like we have some option like mask all character, means it will mask all the character. Even we are not able to visible any character from end to end, it will completely mask. In here, last four character clear, means if you type 12 character, only last character can see. We have a one more option like credit card number, means it will visible like credit card number, and national insurance number, social security number, social insurance number. Like this, we have a different mask types. So what I will do, I will simply select like credit card number. So then mask character. So mask character should be star or X, means how should be the character should be visible. So it should be masked as star or X. So currently I will select as star. So example, it will looks like this. Okay. So then click on next. So again, one more time, we need to click next. Click on next. Click on save. Now the field is created successfully. Now we need to add that field into the page layout. So simply open page layout, open receipt layout. So what I will do? I will simply drag this account number into the top. So then I will arrange these things. Then click on quick save. So once you saved, so what you need to do? You need to go to your home page. Just hard refresh once. Try to create new receipt. I will create a new receipt record. So for example, I will customer name as Alex. I will fill all the fields with some values. So then we created new field, that is account number. So in here I will enter some account number, like I enter random account number. So then I will click on save. So once I saved, you can see automatically that account number looks like this. Means only last 4 character can visible, and it looks like credit card format. Depending on your permission and mask setting, Salesforce display values like this. So instead of full value, user with appropriate permission can view the complete value. How field security works? Not every user can see encrypted information. Salesforce checks user profile, permission sets, field level security, view encrypted data permission. So in profile we have something like view encrypted data. If the permission is enabled, then only we can view. So yeah, this is how encrypted text field works in Salesforce. So I hope you completely understand these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.